Hi there, welcome to bitesizeblender.com. In this very short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a background image into a scene so you could use it as like tracing paper if you want to create an object in front of it. One way is to add just a pure background onto the Blender scene, but it doesn't really give you any versatility. So the way I'm going to show you now is to add an image into the scene onto an empty, which makes it a lot more versatile. A good example, hit the 1 key from a default scene. Let's delete that default cube. Shift A to add an empty, and we have an empty in the scene. I'm just going to scroll around, so at the moment it's just a cross. I'm going to go up to the object properties, and instead of displaying it as plane and axes, I'm going to display it as an image. And one thing it then gives me is the option to open an image. So from here I'm just going to open an image that I put onto my desktop, which is of a robot, which is one I've used before. I'm just going to hit R to rotate around X 90, bring that up, and if I come back to my front view, I now have the image of the robot on the plane. I can start to model in front of it. A great thing with this is you can actually change its transparency as well. So I can bring that down, and I can bring it right down until I've just got what I need in my scene for editing the object. I can also add another empty with another image on, and I could have multiple layers, different views of the robot, etc, etc. A brilliant way of modeling in Blender with tracing paper type images. Thank you, and join us in the next tutorial.